To show you the other installation that I've done. I'll start with this side first. Oh my gosh, this was a marathon of installation. I couldn't even stop the video. This one here, the sun is actually too much on it. It's not looking too bad. Then we have this one over here. As you can see, the sun is killing it. But I'll show you an update so you can really understand how well it is going. Look at this one right here. And then I installed one under the hacienda. Can't really see it, but it's right there. So this is what this side of the garden looks like.